establishing a relationship with an alarm company, not only are you making a huge decision because you're selecting the company that is going to actually protect your family, your employees, your house, your business, but you also are establishing a relationship with a firm that's going to need to take care of a pretty large technology set over a number of years. So everybody, I shouldn't say everybody, but a lot of companies have great sales processes. They've got a lot of great marketing. But what actually happens when the install is complete and that salesperson who was so easy to talk to is out of the way? Who's monitoring your system? Who's fixing it if something goes weird? Because trust me, when a burglar alarm, false alarm happens at 3 a.m. and it's Tuesday night and you're already having a tough week, it's really important who's picking up the other end of the phone to help you service it. So I firmly believe that you need to establish a relationship with a firm that's not only going to sell and install this system, but they're going to provide great customer service over time. So that whether that means getting a technician to your house in a timely fashion, because it's really annoying when the panel is beeping and you want that thing turned off as quickly as possible, or you can just make a simple phone call to a company that is invested in an in-house tech support team that can solve a lot of your challenges over the phone without charging you for more money and can get it done really quick and easy for you.